Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on my WeBull portfolio. So I want to say like a month ago, I think it was at the end of December, I opened up an account with WeBull and I only put in $100. So WeBull has like a promo sign up kind of like bonus thing where if you sign up for WeBull, you open up an account with WeBull, they're going to send you a free stock. And if you deposit $100 into your account, they're also going to give you another free stock. So let me show you real quick. If you go up here, if I go down to my free stock. So as you can see on October 11th, I got free stock of ticker symbol ABEV. That's Ambev. It is a pretty much like a soda, beer, it's a beverage company. And so they gave me that stock in October, and that was for opening my account. So it looks like I opened the account in October, didn't really do anything with it until December, but I got the free stock. And then when I deposited $100 into my account, January 18th is when they put it through, but I deposited before that. It took a long time for that second free stock to come around. So I deposited at, say, the end of December, and that's when I actually purchased a couple stocks on WeBull, but here are the 2 free stocks that WeBull has given me. And guys, there is absolutely an invitation bonus. When you refer a friend, you get a stock. If they deposit, you get another stock. So please, if you guys are interested in signing up for WeBull and getting a free stock, please use my referral link in the description, because we both get a free stock. You deposit 100, we'll both get another free stock. I mean, it'll help us both out, and always feel free to be able to comment on here and talk to me if you need any sort of, I'm not going to say guidance, but if you want to pick my brain and let me pick your brain, we can absolutely do that. So there's that. All right, guys, let me show you my WeBull. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I am only holding 3 positions on WeBull because I only put in $100. Okay, so with my $100, I initially, when that first video came out, I purchased 1 share of AT&T and 1 share of Roku. ABEV is that free stock, and that second free stock still hasn't popped up on here. That's how long it takes for WeBull to get their shit together. So I wanted to update you guys. A couple of the videos that I made showing WeBull kind of just show how I use the RSI and some different indicators to kind of jump in. So let's look at this now. So this is my watch list on WeBull. I do kind of keep a lot on WeBull because I like WeBull. So yesterday, AT&T had an earnings report that, as you can see, did not do very well. So before the earnings reports, AT&T stock was trading at about 30.70, like a mid to high 30. And then after results were announced, dropped to a low 29, pretty much almost exactly at 29. So obviously, guys, the earnings report was not good. For whatever reason, investors did not see a long-term possibility in AT&T at the moment, or whatever it is, it was just bad news. Short sellers, whatever, day traders, they took their profit and continued. But if you look at the 5-year chart, AT&T is kind of, I wouldn't necessarily say it's an upwards trend of a stock. It does this horizontal type dance, and then, over the last year, might even be saying that it's just going straight down. So AT&T is a long-term investment. People might start to question that, right? I personally invest in AT&T long-term because of the dividends. So in December, when I opened my account, I actually managed to get in on AT&T pretty much at a low of $28. So I bought in at 28. And then since then it had gone up all the way up to 31 and kind of tapered off down. And then here, major correction from that earnings report, right? So what did I do? I bought another share of AT&T. So let me show you guys. I'm not quite sure how this is going to look on the screen. Actually, I'm going to turn it back around again because then hopefully it'll look normal. But so guys, I'm looking at the 6-month, 1-day chart on WeBull. Okay. And as you can see, the RSI for AT&T, if you look down here at the left-hand corner, there's the 10 period, 15 period, the 20 period RSI. If you look at the 10 period RSI, which is what I like to look at, it is at 35. And the last time the RSI was low like that was when I bought in, here we go, was the first time I bought in the end of December. I was pretty sure it was December 24th. So here we are. Since then, AT&T has not hit an RSI of 35 or below. So I bought in. Why? Because I do see potential in this stock. I see potential in the dividend. I do see potential for AT&T to continue to grow, but also, more importantly, not just a return on investment in stock price, but really in dividends. So what I'm doing with WeBull is really trying to pick up stocks once they fall. Once they hit that RSI and it's below 30, 35, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy it for the dividend. So AT&T alone has, like, I believe a 51-cent dividend right now. So that's $2 coming back at me every quarter for having and holding these two stocks. And so that's how I purchased the stocks on WeBull. And this is how has gone for me thus far. So my two stocks of AT&T, the average price now is $28.18. The stock is still trading well above 28. And so I added on to my portfolio without, barely touching the average price at all. And we're still good. I still feel confident. I'm happy knowing that I'm going to get these dividends, and my very small and conservatively growing account is doing just that. It is conservatively growing. So as you can see, my profits are already upwards of 17.5%. We've got $18. I took my $100, made 18 out of them within a very short month, and hopefully we'll continue to do the same. And I will probably, it looks like my buying power is about $15. Not enough money to buy any sort of stock that I'm comfortable with. I don't necessarily buy low cap stocks. Although ABEV does have a 7-cent dividend that, looks fairly attractive for that low cap stock. But we'll see. So I might be adding another 100. If I do, you'll see a video of what I do with it, or if it just sits in there for a while until the right trade comes around. So, all right, guys, thank you for joining me on this super quick update on how I invested $100 into a WeBull account. And like I said, if you guys want to do the same, please use my referral link in the description. We will both get free stocks, and we will both be super happy. Like or dislike, comment, subscribe, and I hope to hear from you.